Hi everyone, welcome to Abhyantaric Soft Lab. In this video, I am going to show you how to install a Tensorflow in Pycharm in IDE. First of all, open your Pycharm IDE, and once it is open, go to File and select Settings. In that settings, you can see the list of tools, and in that select Project, and within that select the Project Interpreter, and in that you can see the lots of packages which are installed with the specified version, and most of the packages were installed with the updated version only. So if you want to install the Tensorflow or any other packages into your system using Pycharm, go to this plus mark, so select that. So this will install the new packages. If you want to remove any packages, select particular package and select this minus symbol, so that the particular package will be installed. So now I want to install Tensorflow by using Pycharm. So for that, select the plus symbol here, and in that there is a search option, you can see, and there is a list of packages which you want to install. Select that, search for the specific package and install it. So I want to install Tensorflow, so click on Tensorflow, search for Tensorflow, and this is what Tensorflow. And after getting this particular package, go to bottom, and in that you might have available the two options, install package and the manage repositories. So first, install package. If you want to install the specific version, so check this box which is named as specified version, and in that you can specify the version, and as per your selection you can install the specific version of the package. So by default the updated version, the recent updated version will be installed. So click on, after selecting this, click on install package. After a while the package will be installed to your system. So if you got any errors while installing, so that might be because of some DLL files will not be present in your system. So install those DLL files and again try to install this particular package by following the same procedures. So after this, it will say after the successful installation, it will give a statement as package, particular package Tensorflow installed successfully. So then this is done. So your package will be installed successfully. So then close all this. If you want to check it whether this is successfully installed or not, so select open some new scratch file. For that, go to file, new scratch file, then select Python. So in that, give like import Tensorflow as tf dot, and just print the version of the Tensorflow. Print tf dot double underscore version double underscore. So then run this code. If your package is successfully installed, this code, these two lines of code will return you with the version of the Tensorflow package installed in your systems. So I have installed with the 2.3.1, which is the latest version of the Tensorflow at the time where I installed. So this is what the procedure for installing the Tensorflow by using a Pycharm.